everybody? So today you guys will be experiencing a new abandoned video of the Biederman's Furniture Store, the Bob Evans on Aldi Stevenson Drive. Biederman's Furniture when it was there, also known as Lynn Drive in Springfield, Illinois. Roll the intro and let's get this thing going. See you guys at the end. Peace out. Bye. Welcome to the abandoned Bob Evans on beautiful Stevenson Drive and Dirksen Parkway. Video of Bob Evans abandoned. Just recently abandoned. I think it was abandoned a couple of weeks, like a month ago or a couple months ago. I don't know, probably a year ago. Store hours every night it was. They're locked. Can't really see him, which I guess that kind of is a safety feature. You kind of don't want people in. Oh, I can see in through here. Do I feel like... Yeah, no, I don't feel like doing that. Well, I mean... Oh, sweet. Whoa. This is future TK, and the reason this cut is because for whatever reason I made it in slow-mo, and it kind of worked out wrong and stuff, and so yeah. Enjoy the video though.
Here we go. Like I said, it's just stereotypical restaurant vibe. But, yeah. Love how this connects into an area where this used to be.
Mattress store here in Springfield. There are no trespassing signs, so I'm not going to be here long. Used to be a state of Illinois thing. That's probably it. Because that was state. This is a state property, that's why. Holy cow. I'm only filming a couple places that I'm out. And I don't feel like getting arrested. Holy cow. Bear. Middle. There's this blocked off by a wall. Nope. You know, just a typical place. There's a sign. But, I think that'll wrap it up for today's video. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment below. And outro. And let's go.